Prime Minister and senior BJP leader Narendra Modi has said that India is emerging as a power in the world today and Tamil Nadu has played a big role in it. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has congratulated Simon Harris on becoming the youngest ever Prime Minister of Ireland. The National Testing Agency has clarified that students who cast vote in the general elections and have their fingers irked will not be barred from entering exam rooms. Campaigning for the Lok Sabha elections is picking up momentum. Top leaders of major political parties are touring various parts of the country and holding public rallies and roadshows in support of their party candidates. India's D. Gukesh managed to secure victory over Nijat Abhisov in the fifth round at Toronto, Canada last night.